If you're drop shipping and you've already received one account suspension because you were drop shipping, you got reinstated, this piece of news is for you. Okay, drop shippers, or if part of your business is drop shipping and you already received your first suspension for drop shipping, you gotta be super careful, because if you need to try and reactivate your account to reactivate your Amazon listing and you receive a second drop shipping suspension, and that is coupled with a seller code of conduct issue from Amazon, we are seeing this 2 drop shipping, 1 seller code of conduct being the death knell for Amazon sellers. So if you are drop shipping, you gotta be super careful. When your products arrive at the consumer's doorstep, you don't want them to be in Walmart, Home Depot, Best Buy, or any other branded packaging, because if the consumer reaches out to Amazon and says, hey, why is there Walmart on my front step? I ordered from Amazon. Or why is it coming from Best Buy? I want to buy from Amazon, and they can make that complaint to Amazon, you are going to have a significant problem. And if it's your second one with a seller code of conduct issue, man, it is going to be really difficult to get you back on. You want to learn more about drop shipping, seller code of conduct, inauthentic, all the different issues that Amazon sellers face, and how we win reactivation of your Amazon account every day of the week. Go to our website, put in your particular issue in our search engine, and we have more free content for Amazon sellers than any other website on earth. Whether you are a brand new seller or an experienced seller, if you want to succeed on Amazon, you must continuously grow your catalog. And there's no better person to learn from on how to expand your catalog than Vanessa Hung, and she's going to be speaking at the Independent Retailer Conference. Don't miss on February 28th if you want to grow, succeed, and thrive in 2022.